Big game in Philadelphia tonight. Sixers hosting the Warriors. You're going to catch it on ESPN. But a big name not playing, and that is Steph Curry out. And look at the difference when you look at offensive efficiency, a number that no team has achieved in a season over the last 25 years. That 118.9 drops to 99.9 without him. For much more on this game and the Warriors without Steph, here's Greeny and the NBA Countdown crew.
Kevin, thank you. With Jalen Rose, Michael Wilbon, and Stephen A. Smith, I will start with you. The Warriors have been sort of a roller coaster, even with Steph Curry playing brilliantly. How do they stay afloat without him?
Well, first of all, Klay Thompson has to remember he's a four-time champion and one of the greatest shooters this game has ever seen, and play like it. Stop worrying about how people are thinking about him, whatever. He's doing that, has been doing that as of late. He's got to continue to do that. He's got to pick up the slack. He's a veteran, he's a champion, and he's a marksman. All three things are in common with Steph Curry. The other dude is Jordan Poole. Last time I checked, you got paid, didn't you? Got your bag. And on top of it all, you're a champion. And on top of it all, people have been speculating that you would look better as a starter than you did coming off the bench because you've had flashes of brilliance when you were a starter. Well, now Steph Curry, your man, needs you desperately because he's out for the next few weeks. You're going to step up and handle your business and earn that check, or are you not?
Jalen, that's your guy, Jordan Poole. What does he need to do during this time?
He needs to be efficient. He needs to be aggressive. And like Stephen A. say, be dominant, because at times as a starter last year in particular, that's why he earned the bag that he got now. And now he's also a champion. But also Draymond Green, they're going to need his offensive productivity. They're going to need his defensive consistency. But I'm going to put another player out there, Andrew Wiggins, who was terrific in the NBA Finals, basically playing Jason Tatum to a standstill. When he's healthy on the wing, defensively, slashing, and giving them playmaking, I think Andrew Wiggins is going to be a key.
Michael, I can't believe I'm asking this question in December about the defending champs, but are they in some real trouble here?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. When you're missing the best shooter ever and a guy who's a first-team All-NBA player currently, you're in trouble. All of those guys that Stephen A. and Jalen mentioned have to pitch in and play well. There's no one person who's going to take up the slack. They all have to do it for Steph Curry. And they better start on the defensive end, which is not even Steph's calling card, because defensively they've been so bad that they're going to have to. They're going to get play from the bench. You're looking at Kuminga there. They're going to have to get everybody on that team, the ensemble, is going to have to play better, or Golden State's going to have trouble making the top six by the time he comes back.
A couple of big things to piggyback off of Wilbon's point. They're averaging about 117 points a game, top 5 offense in the NBA. Okay, you might not be able to pull that off with the absence of Steph Curry, but you can somewhat make up for it if you play defense better, like Wilbon was alluding to. You don't need Steph Curry being gone, should improve their defense, because we know sometimes it can be a liability. And last but not least, I don't know if y'all admit this, y'all seen this or not. Jalen Rose, I mean, those glasses look good. This is a vast improvement. That's a vast improvement compared to those goggles, Spiano glasses he's usually wearing. They look very good.
Thank you,
They look very good.
The Warriors just 2-13 on the road. See if they can win one
Rose-colored.
tonight. We'll have countdown to the top of the hour. Kevin, back to you.
Join us.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.